Oh, wow.
He designs satellite systems so that rich people in private jets could have Netflix and go on you stream Teams calls. But he has this book about the guy that saved the Iridium satellite network. So for those who don't know what Iridium is, it's this satellite constellation that was developed by Motorola, and and this is like a design, really great design case study in the concept of engineering, is that satellite phones didn't work well because we followed like a different the concept of just following the latitude, right? Like the horizontal lines. And so like the coverage over an area is actually like not as reliable because the Earth is an oval, like it's fat. So like you lose like coverage orbit, where they just did random orbits all around the globe, usually through the poles, like North and South poles. And that led to more reliable coverage. Building a satellite network, very expensive.